Alright, how you going guys? A common question we always get asked or emailed through to us is saying that we sent them the wrong window regulator. Now, it's not always the case. Quite simply, all they need to do, so you'll see this window regulator's here set up for the right hand side. What they need to do is push this side to that and then to swap it over. So then that, so being a right hand, or left hand, customers will be like, you sent me a left hand, this is clearly a right hand, the motor's facing upwards, so it's just a matter of swapping the side over, turning it around, and then we have the right side regulator. So very simple, straight up, and just switch the orientation of that to that.